Hi, my name is Evan Lee, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a forehand, backhand, and volley in tennis. Starting with the forehand, we're going to want to lay our racket out flat, and we're going to want to wrap our thumb and our index finger around the bottom of the racket. This will allow us to get the most amount of power as well as topspin on the ball. So now that we have the right grip for our forehand, now we want to figure out the form. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our feet parallel to the court, and we're going to, once the ball comes to our right hand, we're going to want to twist our body, and we're going to want to take a step 45 degrees, and then we want to make contact in front of our body. This is going to allow us to get the most topspin and allow us to get the most control on our shot. So what this is going to look like is we're going to twist, we're going to take our step, and then we're going to make contact in front of the body. So now that we have the right grip, the right form, now we have to talk about shot selection. So usually when you have a forehand shot, you're going to want to hit cross court because that allows you the best odds of getting in the court because that reaches the most distance. The hardest shot is going to be right down the line. So an example of this is if you're going to be hitting it right here, the best odds are hitting it to the left, while the hardest shot is going to be down the line. So now that we've gone over the forehand, let's go over the backhand. There's a single-handed backhand and a two-handed backhand. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you the two-handed backhand. So the first thing to do is hold your racket straight up and down, and you're going to want to wrap your thumb and your index finger around the top, and so that the base of your hand lines up with the base of the racket, or maybe a little bit more. And then with your left hand, you want to wrap your thumb and index finger around the top as well. And then for the final step, you want to rotate your racket just a little bit to the right, and this will allow you to get the most topspin. So now that we've gone over the correct grip for the backhand, we're going to go over the form. So to start, we're going to have our feet parallel, and then we're going to want to slide our feet to the left. We're going to take a step 45 degrees in front of us, and then we're going to want to swing, following through, and making contact with the ball in front of our bodies. The same rules apply for shot selection from the forehand to the backhand. The easiest shot is going to be the cross-court shot, and the hardest shot is going to be down the line. So when you're hitting it, I would always advise going cross-court because the net's lower and it also gives you more space to work with as opposed to the down-the-line shot. Now that we've gone over backhand and forehand, we're going to talk about volleys. There are forehand and backhand volleys as well. So to start with, for our grip, we're going to have the racket straight up and down. We're going to wrap our thumb and index finger around the top. And we're not going to twist it at all. We're just going to leave it like that. And we're going to have our feet starting like this. We're going to twist. We're going to move our back leg. For the forehand, it's my left leg. And we're going to take a step. And then we're going to make contact with our volley in front of our body. And for the backhand, it's the same exact thing, except we're twisting to the left, taking a step with my right foot, which is my back foot, and then making contact in front of my body like this. There are three main volleys that you can do. There's the sharp angle, which is going to be right here, the down the middle, and also down the line. So the safest volley would be down the middle because it gives you the most odds of getting in the court. But if you have a more controlled volley, down the line and then the sharp angle will give you the best odds of winning the point then and there. Now that I've taught you how to do a backhand, forehand, and volley, the three biggest tips that I can give you is to remember grip, form, and to practice. If you can find a friend or anyone else or get a ball machine or even practice by yourself, that ensures the best way of getting better at tennis. Thank you for watching.